Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic automatic traveller in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, electric sliding side doors, tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got 8 seats, these are leather, the front seats are heated with massage function, the touchscreen comes with sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, speed limit recognition and also blind spot detection. So let's have a look around. This car has the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 180 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox. The car's done under 12,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.